Hello guys, in this video, I will answer a popular question, that is, can you save chat history in NotebookLM? So I'm going to be straightforward to the point. NotebookLM doesn't directly offer a feature to save chat history in the same way a dedicated chat application might. It's primarily designed for interacting with and analyzing uploaded documents. However, there are few workarounds you can use to preserve your interactions. Copy and paste. The simplest method is to manually copy the chat text from the NotebookLM interface and paste it into a document like Google Doc, text file. This gives you a static record of the conversation. So here what we can do is simply take our cursor to the starting point where we want to start, left click it, hold it down and drag it down. Now this will instantly cover the whole chat. Here, right click, click on copy. Now we'll navigate to documents, create a blank document. Here, what we are simply going to do is right click, click on paste. Now as you can see, we have successfully pasted our previous chat history with NotebookLM just right here. What we can also do is right click and click on paste without formatting. Now, unwanted materials won't be copied in the chat. As you can see, I previously said hello and NotebookLM said, hello, how can I help you today? The whole conversation will be just right here. We can simply click on file, click on download and easily download this as document, PDF, TXT or any file format that we want. So that was the simple answer to your question that you cannot save chat history in NotebookLM, but the alternatives are pretty easy. So that's a simple answer to your question. Hope you found this video helpful and please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.